important food stuff. What we are going to learn in this chapter? What we are going to learn in this chapter today? That wheat, rice, jawar, pulses, sugarcane कहाँ पे ग्रो होता है? फील्ड पे ग्रो होता है. This all are the substances that grown in the field. Then करवंदा, जामुन, बोर, हनी कहाँ पे होता है? In the forest. In the forest. Salt water fish, salt from where we get? This gets from the sea. Salt water fish, salty water fish रहता है, वो कहाँ से मिलता है? We are getting from the fresh water fish, singara, water cashew nut. Ulasnagar we are getting that more black color का सिंगाड़ा बोलते हैं उसको. It's a green color also. After roasting it, it become a black color. Maknas, lotus seed, it's white color seed is there. Okay, it comes where? In the rivers and lakes. It grows well in the river and lakes. Okay, I'm repeating again, children. Wheat, rice, jawar, pulses, sugarcane grows where? In the field. In the field. वो कहाँ पे होते हैं? In the field. Karwanda, jamun, boar, honey grows in the forest. It get this everything in the forest. Then saltwater fish and salt grows is come from the seeds and from the sea. Freshwater fish, singara, water cashew nut, makhna, lotus seed comes from where? River and the lakes. Comes from where? Rivers and the lakes. In Badlapur, near the Shiv Mandir, one lake is there. You can go now and see there all lotus over there. All lotus over there. It's called a lake. Small lake is there next to the mandir, Shiv Mandir. Okay. Fruits and vegetables, orchard. Then meat and eggs, animal. We get this variety of food stuff through the efforts of many people. Directly they grows of what? Wheat, rice, jawar, pulses, karwanda, jamun. हमें तो लोग जंगल में मिलते हैं इसलिए डायरेक्टली हो जाता है. But this wheat, rice, jawar, all the people do this work. Then we get, they are called a farmer. Then we get this nice wheat, rice, jawar, nice quantity of rice, nice quantity, quantity, some quality मिलता है. But who this work? Many people do put their efforts in this. Efforts means उनकी मेहनत रहती है उसमें. तभी जाकर हम लोग को अच्छा wheat, rice, jawar मिलता है. Yes or not, children? Okay, we should not waste food. So we should not waste our food at all. We should not waste our food at all. You can see the page number 50. The child's boy and girl is sitting eating the bhakris and all that. Bajra bhakri. You have to eat hard bajra bhakri with the milk. You can eat the bajra bhakri with the milk. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. Okay. Can you see this? Often when serving Varsha and Arjuna meal, mother says, take only as much you want. Food should not get waste. Why? What her mother says? Take that much you want. इतना ही खाओ जितना तुमको चाहिए. अगर तुम लोग ज्यादा खाओगे, हावरट की तरह बोलते हैं, हावरट पड़ा करता है, कितनी हावरा है बगा, कितनी खातो. Like that don't do. Then you पेट भरने के बाद तुम लोग वेस्ट करते हो फूड को, तो उसको फेंकना पड़ता है. गरीब लोगों को मिलता नहीं है. Yes or no, children? Poor people does not get the food. So don't waste the food. Whatever you want, how much you want, to take that much only. So don't waste the food. Sorry, children. The story of a bhakri. The story of bhakri. Now we will see how the bhakri comes. Okay. At the end of the summer, fields are made ready for farming taps. Okay. Plums of soil are crushed. Those made गट्टा रहता है. Soil means what? मट्टी. Ground. उसमें जो बड़ी पत्थर रहते हैं या फिर बोलते हैं ना, what we call that, lumps बनते हैं मट्टी के, बड़े दगड़ा बनता है. ओके, तो उसको निकाल देते, उसको क्रश करते. They are crushing means पूरा चूरा करते मट्टी को. The field is left to do land flat. Level means what? To do the flat land. Then afterwards the tractor using, how they are using? Nowadays they are using with the tractor. Tractor is there nowadays. But pehle oxen was there. Ox is to plow that. Okay? Ox is to plow that. Field is ready for sowing. Sowing means they are putting the seeds. They are putting the seeds. Okay? Then afterwards they are putting the water to come the out wheat. Okay? Pre-monsoon shower make the hot soil humid. Pre-monsoon shower, जब shower होते हैं, rainy season comes. When this is doing? After the summer's end. जैसे जैसे end में होता है, May के end में, या फिर in the month of June, starting in the month of June, they do this all these things. They all the farmer do this work, okay? Because the rain is going to come. और मट्टी को क्या चाहिए? पानी की जरूरत है. Rain is a most important thing for the farming. Rain is a more important thing for the farming. Field is ready for sowing. Okay. Pre-monsoon shower makes the hot soil humid. Then seeds are sown. Sown means उसमें डालते हैं seed. Within a few days, the seeds sprout and seedlings are seen above the ground. मैंने बोला था ना, sprout आता है, छोटा सा कोम्ब आता है बाहर, जहाँ पे हम लोग seed पो रहा है. You can do it at your home also, and you can see how the plant comes outside. Okay. Take one pot, put soil in that, and put that some seeds like matki or wheat and all that. You can see how it is coming outside. You must be knowing everything, everyone, because nowadays Discovery Channel is showing each and everything. How does we are going to do farming and all that. Okay. Wheat too grows unnecessary plants. Wheat too grows unnecessary weeds. Means what? Unnecessary plants. उसमें भी जंगली plants आ जाते हैं बाजू में, तो निकालना जरूरी है हमको. Needs to remove. We are going to remove that unnecessary plants. उसमें क्या होता है? They are spoiling our plants. They are spoiling our wheat. हम लोग जो डाला होगा ना seeds and all that, these weeds are spoiling the plants. Okay, they are spoiling the plants. How does the crop get ready? How does the crop get ready? Now we see. After a while, ears of crop appears on every stall. Ears means birds come outside. The grains form and the ears grown fuller. Birds come in the flock to eat the tender grains. Tender means cowrie. Cowrie grains को खाने के लिए आ जाते. Who is coming? Birds are coming. Then what is there in the field? Who is standing in the field? The scarecrow. Who is standing in the field? Scarecrow. Why? Don't come the. वो क्यों खड़ा रहता है वहाँ पे? उसको क्यों खड़ा करते हैं? क्योंकि birds नहीं आना चाहिए और tender grains को खाना नहीं चाहिए. So the farmers, what they are putting in the field, they are telling to stand that scarecrow and हटाओ, सबको भगा दो वहाँ से. Okay. या फिर one thing is there. I don't know you have saw or not. In the picture, some of the women are doing बैचकी से मारते, पता है? बैचकी से हिला मारते, बैचकी. All of you must be knowing that what is बैचकी and all that. या फिर उसको वो घुमाते और उड़ा देते पूरे birds को. Because they are eating the tender grains. Scarecrow and the sledge short use means kya? By batchki. Harvesting. What is harvesting? When the ears of corn are full, they are cut and gathered. They are cut and gathered. See, I'm telling again. With some days, the bajra seeds sprout and the seedlings are seen above the ground. Grounds के ऊपर क्या आता है? Seedlings आ जाते हैं. Along with bajra, weeds also flourish. But they have to remove. See your textbook, children. I am reading from the textbook also. My father could employ labor to do that. My father had given some works to the person labor to do that things. The laborers have to pay. Labor को क्या करना है? Salary देना जरूरी है. Rainwater is enough for bajra to grow the vigorously. Vigorously अच्छा उगने के लिए फटाफट. After a while, ears of bajra appears on every stalk. The grain forms and ear grows fuller. As the grain grow, birds come in flock and eat the tender grains. Then scarecrow have to be set up and slice short used to frighten the birds away. What they are using? Scarecrow and a slice short used to frighten घबराने के लिए उनको to the birds away. When the ears of corn are full, when the ears of corns are full, पूरा भर जाता है, it is harvested time. What is this called? The time of harvesting, निकालना. That is, all the ears of bajra must be cut and gathered. निकालना, जितना जितना ऊपर आ गया है, ears of bajra या wheat और jawar का, उसको निकालने का जरूरी है. This is called an harvesting. This is called an harvesting. Then falling, treaching and winnowing, that is how we get the grains from ears of bajra. Treaching means what? A machine is not available. Bullocks do the treaching. Okay? Bullocks do the treaching now. See how they are doing the treaching. बुलक को बांधते हैं झाड़ में मिडल एंड दे आर पुटिंग ऑल द ग्रेन्स एंड द बुलक स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग ऑन दैट ग्रेन. उसमें से क्या बाहर आता है, जो रहता है बाजरे का बीज एंड ऑल दैट कम्स आउटसाइड. A round space is cleared in the field. A round space is cleared. Clear करके round space को clear करके in the field. Threshing floor is prepared. वहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो floor है वो prepare होता है. A post is erected at the center. The post is erected. Can you see this picture? The post is erected in the center. A bullock is tied to it. A bullock is tied to it. क्या करते हैं, बुलक को उसको लगा देते हैं. ओके. If a machine is not available, bullock do this threshing. A round shape is cleared in the field and the threshing floor is prepared. The post is erected at the center and a bullock is tied to it. The bullock walks in a circle around the post. She is walking around the round and round circle post. Okay. The harvested ear are spread in the round shape. कौन से शेप में, राउंड शेप में वो लोग उसको लगा नीचे रखते हैं. फिर उसके ऊपर कौन चलता है, बुलक वॉक्स ऑन इट अराउंड स्पेस so that the gate temperate upon to the bullock. If the crop is large in quantity, the bigger space is prepared and the more bullocks are used together. Threshing may go on for the several days, for the so many days. Okay. For the bullocks too, this is heavy work. This is called an heavy work. This is called an heavy work. The grain obtained after winnowing is filled in a sack. Now we will see what is winnowing. Winnowing means क्या, तो उसको छालने से ये करती है. फिर सूप रहता है ना. Can you ask your mother what is soup? Okay, can you ask, see, you can see this, how they are doing winnowing over there. This is called a winnowing. This is called a winnowing. Now see. Proper care is taken to make sure that it will not be attacked by the insect. उसमें अगर इंसेक्ट एक भी लग गया, कीड़ा लग गया, तो पूरा ग्रेन खराब हो सकता है. So proper care should be taken. They should put a pesticide और इंसेक्टिसाइड, क्योंकि उसको कीड़ा नहीं लगना चाहिए, जरूरी है. तो पूरा जितना हम लोग ने ग्रेन निकाला है वो पूरा खराब हो जाएगा. ओके. इंसेक्ट और अदर पेस्ट सच एज माइस, pests such as mice and rats, वो भी खाना नहीं जरूरी. They are also there in the field. They are the main person in the field, roaming in the field. Yes or no? After putting aside some grain for the family, the remaining sacks are sent to the marketplace. Okay, this is called after this. After winnowing. Winnowing means what, I will tell you again. A person stands a little higher up. Can you see the person is standing little higher up? Slowly allows the threshed grain, जो निकला हुआ grain है, to fall to the ground it, और जो ऊपर उसका छिलका रहता है ना वो उड़ जाता है after doing this winnowing. Okay, the ground. It is also done with a machine. This is also done with a machine. If machine is not available, the man is doing. The machine makes the work easier. The grain is filled in the sack. After this, all what I told, the farmer keeps some of the grain to their family. जो बच्चा रहता है वो यहाँ पे भरते हैं, इन सैक, गोने में भर देते हैं. कहाँ पे भर देते हैं, इन दी रिमेनिंग द सैक, एंड आर सेंड वेयर टू द मार्केट प्लेस टू बी सोल्ड. कहाँ पे भेजते हैं उसको, मार्केट में. क्यों मार्केट में भेजते हैं, फॉर द मनी. अभी मनी आएगा तब जाके वो लोग सीड खरीदेंगे. यस और नो चिल्ड्रन? सो देन दे विल डू अनदर वर्क अगेन स्टार्टेड दे विल डूइंग. When the tractor they are buying the grain, the farmer gets money for the crop that he has grown. फार्मर को क्या मिलता है, they are getting money for this crop they have grown. कितना काम रहता है, पहले उसको खेती को बढ़ाइए करो, हार्वेस्ट करो, फिर स्टेजिंग करो, फिर विनोइंग करो, उसको बोनी में बंद करो और फिर जाके वो मार्केट में बेचते हैं. कितना लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर इज देयर. लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर में दे आर गेटिंग सो मच मीन्स वर्क करना है उनको, हार्ड वर्क रहता है उसको. देखा, तब जाके अपने को आराम से खाने के लिए मिलता है. यस और नो? हमको लगता है फार्मर का कुछ काम नहीं, हो गया, पेड़ हो गई, हार्वेस्टिंग हो गया, खत्म हो गया काम. नो, सो मच लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर देयर. Then that rice come, then that jawar comes to the market, then they market from there, they are getting the retailer, wholesaler, कितने जन के पास से जाके गुजरने के बाद they are come, then we are going to get from the shop, then we are going and getting from the shop, buying from the shop. Shop के बाद we are getting that jawar in our house. फिर जाके हम लोग उसकी भाकरी बनाते हैं, आटा बनाने के बाद, फ्लोर बनाने के बाद, so much long procedure is there. It's not easy to do, easy to eat the food. So don't waste the food. किसकी मेहनत लगी है? फार्मर की, इसमें बहुत मेहनत लगी है। Yes or no children? इसमें इतनी मेहनत है तो फिर think about that. You should not waste the food. You should not waste the food. Storing grain. Means some of the people are storing grain. गोनी भी रखते हैं ना स्टोर करने के लिए, और भाई इतना बेचेंगे, बाद में we will go in the market and sell these afterwards. Okay? The grain that the trader buy is sold all over the country. जो trader buy करता है, it's sold all over the country. It is transported by the means of trucks or good trains. That is transported by with the help of the truck. That is transported with the help of the truck. Okay? Or by the good trains. It is turned off porters and truck driver to put in their labor. Transport cost at a lot too. Now the sack of a grain is the provision store. कहाँ पे आता है sack? Provision store. That means we are going in the store and buying it. Grain is protected from insect and pest. Some grains is kept aside and rest is sent to the market. Selling. Traders buy the grain from the farmer. Traders buy the grain from the farmer. Who is taking the grain from the farmer? Traders is taking. Again, I am repeating. Traders are taking the grain from the farmer. Traders are taking the grain from the farmer. Then traders sell the grain to the provisional storekeeper. Means our storekeeper that we are going and buying. No. हमारे दुकान रहते हैं उनसे, they are called the storekeepers. The grain is supported by the means of a good train. People buy grain from the storekeeper. We are buying directly from the truck, going to the shop, and we are getting that. The shopkeeper then store and rubbish is sorted out to clean the grain. जो कुछ रबिश होता है वो लोग क्लीन कर देते हैं. The get milled into the floor. कहाँ पे होता है ये सब? फ्लोर कहाँ से बनता है? In the mill. जो आपने चक्की, it's called a चक्की. The floor is made into the lumps. A small lumps is flattened into the bhakri and then roasted. In this way the bhakri is prepared. आटा होने के बाद मम्मी इसको गूंथती है, उसमें से lumps निकालती है, joints, and then she makes a bhakri and she roasted, and that roasted comes in your plate. Then that bhakri comes in your plate. And so much long procedure is there, children. Get one bhakri to eat. Get one bhakri to eat. That is so much long procedure is there. Understand everyone? This thing here. The next thing. Now, would it be right to waste food that we get through the efforts of so many people take this much of effort to get one in your plate? Yes or no? There's so many. One is farmer, then some laborers are there, then the truck driver is there, then trains are there. From their bhakri is prepared. Okay. Other food stuff. Other foods. We see again page number. Just see, children. 54. Singadas and makhnas are some special food that are not very common. These are not very common. Okay, singada and makhnas. You are getting this all these things, singadas and makhnas, more in the Ulasnagar. They are eating too much. Sindhis are eating too much this of type of singadas and makhnas. They are obtained from fresh water plants. These foods are obtained from where? Fresh water plants. Much work has to be done to collect, clean, dry, store, and transport them. So many work should be done for that also. Okay, वो क्या करते हैं? Has to be done to collect. They are first collecting, then cleaning, then drying, then store, and then transporting them. Okay, these are the works that people are doing. Other food stuff. Other food stuff is what? We get fish from water. We get fish from water. From where we get the fish? From the water. Fishermen work hard to catch them. Nowadays, rains are going, fisherman is not going inside the water. Why? वहाँ पे क्या होता है, पानी ऊपर आ जाता है बोट पर और वो लोग डूब के मर सकते हैं. So they in the rainy season fishermen are not going to catch the fish. After the rains are going slow down, they are going inside the rivers or in the sea or the ocean to catch the fish. Okay. There are people who gathered and sell fruits like amla, jambun, karwanda, bor, which grow in forest. There are people who gathered and sell fruits like amla. These are the people, which people, one second, Adivasi logs are bringing this jamun, karwandas and bor. Maybe you can see in our market, in Madhapur market, they are sitting outside the station. On the station road, they are amla, they are means potential best. They are selling these fruits, amla, jamun, karwanda, bor, which grow in the forest. Some people have vegetable farm, while some people have orchards for growing their crops. Some people keep poultry. Poultry means जहाँ पे क्या होता है, hen को रखते हैं, उसको poultry बोलते हैं. Some rare animals like milk and meat. Okay, all these people put in a lot of hard work. Every food stuff has a effort. People are putting all their efforts to हमारे लिए पोषने की ना काम करते हैं. They are putting their efforts for what? We should get a nice food to eat. For whom? For us. They are putting their efforts that हमारे तक पहुंचने के लिए, अच्छा फूड पहुंचने के लिए they are putting their efforts. Okay. We get a great variety of foodstuff as a result of their efforts. The efforts and labor of many other people are also required for storing, transporting, and marketing them, as well as preparing the various dishes we eat. All these processes are expensive. All these processes are very much expensive. Okay, they are very much expensive. Therefore, it is necessary for all of us to take care of that food. It is not wasted. Nobody should waste the food. जितना चाहिए उतना खाओ, बाकी का ऐसे ही रख दो. You can eat after in the evening or in the night. In the lunch, take whatever you want, how much you want. How much you want is the main, and how much you want. जितना चाहिए उतना ही लो. Don't waste the food. Children are eating the foods. There are some of the children in our school also eating the chapatis and putting down in the desk. Yes or no? I know that children. नहीं चाहिए फेंक देते तुम लोग. टीचर गिर गया इसलिए फेंक दो ना मैं. अरे don't do that. वो या तुम्हारे टिफिन में अगर गिर गई तो टिफिन में जाकर कुत्ते को दे दो या फिर किस गरीब को दे दो. गरीब को मत दो, कुत्ते को दे दो, कुत्ता खाएगा ना. उसको डस्टबिन में क्यों फेंक रहे हो? You should know this. इसके लिए कितना मेहनत लगता है. So you should not waste your food at all. Now what we have learned, children, the food stuff we use come from many different places such as fields, lakes, the sea and the forest. From where this food stuff come? From the from the field, lakes, the sea and the forest. Starting from preparing the field till storing the grain is warehouse. Warehouse means a godown. Many different kinds of tasks are carried out for growing crops. Some of the laborers are also carrying the sack on their back. You must be sawn there. Okay, तुमने देखा होगा ये सब चीज, that some of the people are carrying so much heavy load on their back and putting that in the warehouse, in the godown. They are putting that sack in the godown. Means there are also people, ना? वो लोग भी तो आदमी है, उनको भी तो है ना कुछ तो. So please see them and don't waste your food. Harvesting, pressing, and winnowing are some of these tasks. What is this? Harvesting, pressing, and winnowing are some of these tasks. Okay, we have learned everything about this chapter. I will show you now video. Let's see voice is coming or not video. Okay, children.